In today's competitive business landscape, manufacturers and producers face the critical challenge of ensuring the quality and reliability of their products. One essential aspect of this process is managing and tracking product warranties efficiently. This is where agen product warranty record software comes into play. With agen product warranty record software, manufacturers can effectively manage warranty claims, track product performance, and identify patterns or trends related to product defects or failures. By automating the warranty process, the software enables companies to efficiently handle customer claims, process replacements or repairs, and minimize the time and effort required for warranty-related tasks. Before you can use this software, make sure you already have the label with serial number for your products, else you may refer to our agen product label records software to assist you to print out the product serial number. Launch the agen product warranty records, scan in the product part number, scan in the product serial number, and then key in your distribution center name or reseller name or even end user name. Agen will automatically attach today's date and user who performs the scanning action. Then the recording process is done. The key action is the agen production warranty records application can be easily launched from the Android mobile phone by just clicking one icon, no repeating step required. You do not need to invest in expensive devices to perform this task, just use your Android mobile phone. You also can have the optional step to snapshot a photo of the contents of the boxes before you send them out to your distributor, reseller, or end user. However, this process may take more effort for the packaging department. For the replacement of the warranty claim, the warranty manager needs to launch the warranty claim application on his mobile phone, scan in the faulty original product serial number. Agen will pull out the item sold record for the warranty department as reference compare. Depending on the warranty period given to the individual product, if the item is within the warranty grace period and then a new replacement product with a different serial number will be issued for replacement. For returning faulty product back to the production department, agen supplier return will be able to help you to record the product information as well as the supplier information. With these records, the warranty department is able to track the status of the warranty item and manage its own inventory of the product. The management can decide based on the quantity of the product returned for warranty to decide the continuation of the product selling and production. In summary, agen production warranty record software is a powerful tool that helps manufacturers and producers effectively manage warranty processes, improve product quality, and boost customer satisfaction. By complete recording warranty tracking, analysis, and reporting, this software empowers businesses to streamline operations, reduce costs, and maintain a competitive edge in the marketplace. To know more about agen software, visit us at agen.mobi or scan the barcode in front of the screen.